Hey there, tech enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of Python programming, a versatile and powerful language that's gaining popularity in the tech world. So, let's get started with this exciting topic. Python is a high-level, general-purpose programming language that's known for its readability and simplicity. It's a great choice for beginners and experienced programmers alike, as it's easy to learn and use. One of the key features of Python is its use of significant indentation, which makes the code more readable and understandable. Python is dynamically typed and garbage collected, which means that it automatically manages memory allocation and deallocation. This makes it a great choice for scripting and prototyping. Python supports multiple programming paradigms, including structured, object-oriented, and functional programming. It also has a comprehensive standard library, making it a batteries-included language. Python was created by Guido van Rossum in the late 1980s as a successor to the ABC programming language. It was first released in 1991 as Python 0.9.0 and has since undergone several updates and revisions. Python 2.0 was released in 2000, and Python 3.0, a major revision, was released in 2008. Python 7.18, released in 2020, was the last release of Python 2. Python is consistently ranked as one of the most popular programming languages, and it's widely used in the machine learning community. Now, let's dive into some tips and tricks for using Python effectively. Firstly, it's important to remember that Python is case-sensitive, so be careful when naming variables and functions. Secondly, Python uses indentation to denote blocks of code, so make sure your code is properly indented. Thirdly, Python has a rich set of built-in functions and modules, so be sure to explore them and use them to your advantage. Finally, Python is a great language for automation and scripting, so don't be afraid to use it for that purpose. Thank you for joining us on this Python programming journey. If you found this information helpful, please don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tech tips and insights. Until next time, happy coding!